So here we are, all the flowers that we've made together, and some I've made before that. I've also cut out these two flowers here, so remember, it shrinks a lot. Really look what's on your brand. Depending on some, it's going to shrink more or less. I have done this one, and as you can see here on the petals, I've just put a few drops of UV resin to look like it had some raindrops, little water drops. I haven't put something inside. I'm going to leave it as is. I think it's really nice. And there you have it with all the others. I really think they're beautiful. I just love them. I can really see some of them and put on a hair clip, for example. Some others as a brooch. This one is translucent. You've got the same one here. I haven't put that one on a leaf yet, but I will. I will probably cut a bigger leaf because the flower is quite big, so I might put two of these. As a brooch, I think it's really beautiful. This one also is really nice, so you can put them in different shapes. The petals are going downwards here. Usually I like when it goes upwards. This one is really nice too. So you can see, you can do a whole bunch of these. And you can also do some home decor. You can take a branch, for example, cut a lot of these flowers in the same kind of shades, in pinks or in oranges, a lot of leaf, and glue that down to the branches. That would be a really nice home decor, and in a vase, why not? And others, I might put them as a ring. I think this one is going to be nice for summer as a ring when you have a little bit of suntan, or maybe this one also. I'm not afraid of wearing big rings, or maybe as a pendant. Put a back here on the back of the flower and hang it with a nice little cord, a coordinated cord in the kind of greenish, maybe a darker color to make it stand out. But this is so easy to do. It doesn't take a lot of time. You can make a whole bunch of them at a time. First cut them, then you color them up, and then you put them under your heat gun. So I hope you liked this video. It was inspiring for you. Please leave me your comments below, and don't forget to give me some thumbs up also, and subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell button to get notified every time I post a new video. And please share also on social medias. Look at this one, how beautiful this is. I have my few favorites, and this is one of them. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon for other crafts. Bye.